to my channel. So today we'll be making Doritos Nachos and Cheetos Flamin' Hot Chicken Wings. I found this recipe on Pinterest, and you can follow me on Pinterest at Maneisha Culmer. So Cupcakes, Babe will be our chef today. Chef Ronaldo.
Okay, well, the ingredients are pretty simple. We just have some chicken wings here that were already pre-washed with lime and sprinkled with some salt. We have Doritos Nacho cheese chips. We have Cheetos Flamin' Hot crunchy chips, Hellman's Real mayonnaise, and also raw spice Jamaican jerk. So let's get started.
Before we get started, I would like to introduce to y'all some spices that were sent to me from RAWSPICEBAR. RAWSPICEBAR is a monthly subscription site that sells freshly ground spices, and they sent me 3 amazing spices. So you can find RAWSPICEBAR at www.rawspicebar.com, and their spices are very much affordable.
Alright, so we're going to open the raw spice Jamaican jerk. See if it's on top. For our next ingredient, we'll be adding some Hellman's Real mayonnaise. Alright, just get a healthy portion of that there. What you want to do is have a healthy coat of mayonnaise over the chicken wings.
Okay, Cupcakes, Bae already marinated the chicken wings with the Hellman's mayonnaise and the Jamaican jerk seasoning from RAWSPICEBAR. So this is how your chicken should look. Oh, juicy and looking good, honey. Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to crush the chips. You have to crush them as fine as you can. We need them the consistency of breadcrumbs, real fine. So you can use a rolling pin or a glass or anything round and hard. In this case, I'm using a metal mug holder. And what you do, you're going to roll the chips. You're going to roll them. You're going to crush them with your hand. Here we have the Cheetos Flamin' Hot. And here we have the Doritos Nacho cheese. Alright, I already dipped some. This is the Flamin' Hot, and this is the Doritos Nacho cheese. Alright, so all you want to do, take your chicken, it's already marinated, and you just give them a good dip into the chip crumbs. And well covered. Okay, so chicken is already prepared. We have them in the baking dish. So we're gonna put them in the oven. The oven is at 375. It was preheated. I'm gonna put them in for about 30 minutes, and they should be good to go.
Looking good. They are frying in the baker, honey. Frying in the baker. Delicious. So, Cupcake, this is the final product. These look so freaking good. And they're so freaking juicy. Look at that. Oh my god. And super crispy. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Woohoo. Look at that. Getting all close. Just came out of the baker. So Cupcakes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please share this video around. And thanks for watching. Bye, Cupcakes.